Hey guys, we are cooking some oxtail today and I am using my Instapot. So I went ahead and seasoned my oxtail about 4 or 5 days ago because I wanted this well marinated. In my Instapot, I added some oil because I wanted to saute this right in the Instapot and not on the stove. This is a one pot thing. So I went ahead and just seared it uncovered for about 30 minutes here. Every now and then I went in and just turned it over so all the meat can get cooked here. After that, I just add a little bit of water so I could lift the meat that was sticking at the bottom. I did have some veggie cut up, some frozen and some just I cut up, which was the onions, but I had my bell pepper and tomato. I also had some tomato paste and minced garlic with some thyme. So all of that went in the pot with a bit of water. I wanted to cook this for a long time, so I did add about 4 cups of water to cover this, and then I cooked it for about 45 minutes here. After which, this is how it came out, and I realized that my cover was not on properly because all of this water was right there. So guys, I had to go ahead, add some more water in here, and I cooked this for about 25 minutes, and then this is how it was looking. If you use beans, this is the point you would go ahead and put in your butter beans, but I did not because not everyone in my house love butter beans, so I left it right here. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.